Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. To the topic we are going to discuss about 5 basic select statement query in SQL. So basically as you are doing the same thing, so just going to enter your SQL MySQL -u wrote -p and going to enter the password. So I'm just going to I'm going to first statement is here to going to create the table for creating the table. So we need to go from the scratch. So basically I'm going to use SAS and at the top is the change. I'm going to create the table, create table employees, and I will go give the ID primary key auto increment. So then I'm going to keep the name should be digital as worker. So keep the value of intrinsic and then the last name is also worker. The data type I'm going to give the major is also worker data type. So I'm going to give the value also contain as you wish. What value you can give, but character should be that much, not more than that. If it's more than that, the query will be not able to insert in the table. So the first one will be salary, which is 90. Yeah, as you can see, our table is created. I just want to check that the table is created and subscribe. Employees. Yeah, you can see our characteristic of the table is created. So I'm just going to insert into employees by giving name, last name, and I'm going to give them major, also salaries. Values. The values we're going to give a name, last name should, and major will give that HR, and salary is also will give it 25,000, 25k. Just close it. Yeah, we already inserted the table, so I just want to check it. Select start from employees. Yeah, as you can see, I have already inserted the name and salary in our table. So basically, I'm just going to insert more because our the query will be starting from the select start from employees. So basically, we will start from that also. I'm just going to insert more row in my table and including the name also. So by editing this one, I'm going to give this one 55. HR should be okay. So that's it. This one is also inserted, so I'm going to give the name 45. Start. And then this one is also inserted, so I'm going to make it more because we need more row, we need more row and table in our database. So I'll go give this one now. And then this should be marketing, and this should be Khairkha, and the name should be Ahmad. Just going to insert one more, then we'll go for the query 16 here. So this should be marketing, Khairkha should be changed. Yeah, I just want to check how many tables we have inserted. So okay, now you can see you're having 5 row, 5 column, which is ID, name, and another one is last name, major, and we have salary also. For the first query which we're going to talk is now we're going to select. I'm going to say I just want to see the name. I'm going to give the name and the last name. We should have this where just type it from employee because my table name is employees. I just inserted. Yeah, we can see our characteristic of the table is created. So I'm just going to insert into employees by giving name, last name, and going to give them major, also salaries. The values we are going to give a name, last name should, and major will give that HR, and salaries also will give it 25,000, 25k. Just close it and close this. Yeah, we already insert the table, so I just want to check it. Select start from employees. Yeah, as you can see, I have already inserted the name and the salary in our table. So basically I'm just going to insert more because our the query will be starting from the select start from employee. So basically we will be start from that also. I'm just going to insert more row in my table and including the name also. So by editing this one, I'm going to give this one 35. HR should be okay. That's it. This one is also inserted, so I'm going to give another name 45. star, and then this one is also inserted, so I'm going to make it more because we need more row, and table in our database. So I will go give this one now. And then this should be marketing, and this should be Khairkha, and the name should be Ayman. Just going to insert one more, then we will go for the query 60k. This should be marketing. Khairkha should be changed. Yeah, I just want to check how many tables we have inserted. Select the sort from apply. Okay, now you can see we are having 5 row, 5 column. 5 column, which is ID, name, and another one is last name, major, and we have salary also. For the first query which we are going to talk is, now we are going to select. I'm going to say I just want to see the name. I'm going to give the name and the last name. If you type this, where, just type it from imply, because my table name is implies. I just inserted. Always I'm missing the word here. Select star, select name, last name from, select name, last name, and last name I have missing here. Last name. Yeah, as you can see, we get the name and last name. Also you can check, like for example, select, for example I will say salary from employees. As you can see, I'm getting my salary only. If I go say for major also, I can get the major. Select. If you just type the name, select, I'm saying now major, so from employees. Yeah, you can see I'm getting the major. So these are the major. This was the first command, which was the select from the basic select statement query in SQL. So the second one which we are going to say is the, now you can see also we can use the select also for the, like select the star from employees, the table name, employees where. Now I'm going to directly where major is equal to HR. So I'm going to specifically see how many HR department or major I have it in my table. As you can see, there is a 3 pupil, which is normal, Safari, then those 3 they are having the field of HR, or the major is HR. So this was the select, and the second one is which is select with order by columns, with the columns. So I'm just going to use this one, the second one, select star from employees, the name of your table, order by salary, and you should use describe, DES, disk. You can also type, but you can also use the describe. As you can see, this will be directly giving you the average of salary. For the first one, you can see we have a 5 ID, which is where first one is 1 2 3 4 5 5. The last salary, which is 16k, who is having Ahmad. So you will see the changes here, and here we have the same table, but the changes by using the query, which is the select statement query, using by order by salary described. So this order by salary, it means the average or the salary who has more, that will become a first, the less will become a last. So 25 was the last, the first one in our table. So this was the small salary. So when it came 16 is now in the become first. So this was for the ordering by salary. The another command which we are going to use is select star from employee. So as you can see now, just select star from employees, our table name employees. Now we are going to say limit. I want to see limit. So in my table I have a 5 pupil, 5 ID, which is 1 2 3 4 5. So I just want to see 3 of them by typing 3. Yeah, you can see no one Safa Eden. So this is our table. Here is we have 5 pupil. I just check it 3 of them. I just want to these 3 pupil. So by typing select a star from employee, you have to mention the keyword which is limit. So I just want to see 2 of them. Select a star from employees. Just mention the keyword which is limit and giving your value, how many people you want to see. I just want to see 2 this time. Yeah, you can see now no one Safa. I just check this 2 pupil. I just want to see in my database these 2. So based on this select a